I'm Todd, welcome back to Cooking Alone, and today we will be cooking spaghetti. We're going to need a pitcher of water, these 2 cups, some spaghetti pasta noodles, tomato sauce. I'm treating myself a little bit with some garlic salt. Typically I don't use any spices. Also a microwave-safe bowl, and of course a microwave, and then we're going to need some paper towels and the knife, just in case. Take the noodles, and we're going to need to break them and put them into the bowl. They need to be broken, kind of like me. Yeah, that seems about right. Then you can add some water. That seems about right. Sometimes I just like to eat it like this, but I think I'll show you how to cook it today. You just need to microwave it for... You need to microwave it for like 10 minutes or so. Wow. Be careful not to burn your hands. It's a good thing I don't feel pain. The pasta is a little undercooked. That's okay. A little crunch never hurt anybody, except my neighbor, Kevin. Up next, you're going to need to take these cups, since I don't have a strainer in my house, and you're going to need to cut some holes into the bottom of them. Looks like we did get a use for that knife. Just strain the pasta here. Then once all the juices are out of there, then you can just flop it back in there. Next, we've got to open up this tomato sauce so we can put it on. Oh, oopsie. I'll just grab some of this paper towel here and take care of that. So, not a major cut, nothing big. And we just continue to open our can. And we can pour our sauce out like that. Oh, that looks yummy. This is the most exciting dinner I've had in a long time. Then we take it and we microwave it for 5 minutes. It's done. Wow. Look at that. Here's where the fun part starts. Sprinkle some of that on there. I typically cook for 2 just in case she comes back. Just grab it with your fingers and eat it. But... Yummy. Thanks for coming. This has been Cooking Alone with Todd. I hope you enjoyed.
I told you to get out of my house!